I'm at that point where I don't really care much about it. Oh man. So, on to the next one. We're gonna still try to heat it up. And that one's still in the freezer, so. Let's clean it out, make sure there's nothing to fill in there. Socket. All right, so that's nice and toasty. Now we're just going to put it in here and heat the bearing up. All right, so I may have found a solution. So I got the nut that goes onto it, and then I put the old bearing over the top of it, and I put these washers on top of that, and now I'm gonna try to tighten this thing up and see. All right, so we're back. So I decided I put the wrenches underneath the bearing. That way we'll have some up and down movements here. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna start tightening this up. It worked. It worked, it really worked. I really hope I put it in the right way. All right, last bearing in, and we're gonna turn it, goes down. All right, so that's there. We're gonna spray all this thing with brake clean after we're done, and then we're gonna put oil through it, and then dump it out just to clean everything out. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put that in there. I think that's all we got to do for this part. All right, welcome back. We got the transmission put back in, and now we got all these pieces. Now we just gotta figure out where everything goes. Alright, welcome back. So, I printed out probably the horriblest drawing ever, but maybe that will help us. And I also went online and I wasn't able to print it. It's a secured document, but it's the manual. So what we're gonna do is try to figure out where everything goes according to Oh, I wasn't recording, but I was getting this case off. I'm at that point where I don't really care much about it. Oh man. All right, here we are back again. So let's go ahead and start putting some of this stuff back on. So I have to wait for the seal for that one, but we're gonna put it on there just so we don't lose it. Everything's moving. Woohoo! All right, so this side I think is almost completely back together now. We are going to go ahead and flip it this way and start worrying about some of this stuff here. All right, I got my laptop over here. Judging by this thing over here needs to hook on underneath of there. So what we're gonna All right, welcome back. We just left the gear shifter. I'm not sure how that works, but then we're gonna hit pause on the video. All right, so everything's turning. I'm pretty excited. Hopefully that's the right way. We're gonna put in this Kickstarter. Goes like that. All right, welcome back. So after doing some research, this has to come out. I put this in too soon. We got some other pieces that need to go in there. And I also went to Yamaha dealership today and they had this seal, and I was gonna buy new seals. I don't know if that gets a seal or not, but it probably should. I feel good about that. Boom. Yeah. All right, well, I just put the key in and this thing in here, and I forgot to hit the record button. I got some cool neighbor kids coming over to check out what we're doing. So we got that piece on. I think that's it for that. I think it probably
Yeah, it looks like it's